Good morning, student. Today we will continue our fourth class of mathematics, class 8. Our topic is rational number, which will be continue. Today topic properties of multiplication of rational number. Okay, properties of multiplication of rational number. So, student, as we know from the topic properties of multiplication of rational number, we have seen in the addition of rational number some properties are there which will continue here also. Closure property, commutative properties, associative property. One new property you will learn in the rational number of multiplication of rational number. What? Distributive properties of multiplication over addition and over subtraction. This is very important for you because from the topic you know properties of multiplication over addition. Okay, distributive properties of multiplication over addition and over subtraction. We will learn about this. First of all, closure property. What is closure property? Closure property states that if two rational numbers are multiplied, then their product is also rational numbers. Their product is also rational numbers. What is the so example we look, if A by B into C by D, it will be AC by BD, that is also rational. Okay, suppose we take number 4 by 5 into 3 by 7. When you multiply, you get 12 by 35, and that is also rational number. So what we have learned in closure property? Closure property, if we multiply two rational number, the result will be also rational number. Clear? Now come on the second property, that is commutative property. Commutative property, what is commutative property? It states that now second property is commutative property. Now look here, student, commutative property. Commutative property. If two rational number are there, suppose we have two rational number A by B and C by D. When you multiply AB by with CD or CD with AB, both give same result, AC by BD. We can write A multiplied by C, B multiplied with D, C multiplied with A, D multiplied with B, means AC into A by B into C by D equal to C by D into A by B. It will give AC by BD. Example you look, 4 by 5 into 3 by 7, it will give 12 by 35. 3 by 7 into 4 by 5, it will also give 12 by 35. So commutative property also exists for rational number. Means if we multiply two rational number in any order, we get the same result. What you learn? If we multiply two rational number in any order, either A into B or B into A, you get the same result. Now come on the third property, that is associative property. Third property, that is associative property of multiplication. Associative property. What is associative property, student? As you know, when here three rational number, when multiplied, suppose we have three rational number, a by b, c by d, e by f. When they are multiplied in any order, either we multiply first into in the bracket second into third, or first into second in the bracket first we multiply, then you multiply third, you get the same result. How we will look that? Suppose we take the example 3 by 5 into 4 by 7 into 3 by 8. When you multiply, what you get? 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. It will be cancelled. Then it will come 3 by 5 into 3 by 14. 3, here it will be 7 into 2, it will be 14. You get 9 by 70. How much you get? 9 by 70. Now, you get 9 by 70, and when you multiply 3 by 5 into 4 by 7 into 3 by 8, what you get? 12 by 35 into 3 by 8. It will be cancelled. 3 2 times 9 by 70. Here both LHS and RHS we have got same result. Means it is also exist for rational number. Means for the multiplication of rational number, associative properties also exist. Now our main and important topic, that is distributive properties of multiplication. There are two parts. Distributive properties, number one, distributive property. Number A, multiplication over addition. Over addition. How it works? You look here. Very important. You catch only how I am solving. Here look. A by B multiplied with C by D plus E by F. It can be written as, see, multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. It can be written as A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. E by F. Now, example you look. Suppose we have a few example we look. For example, we have to multiply 59 into 35, 99 plus 59. How it works? You look here. You first write 59 into 99 plus 59 into 1. Now look here. We have 59 into 99, 59 into 1. In down all place it is 1. So in the denominator it is 1. Okay. In the denominator it is 1. Now look here. 59 into 99, 59. So it will be 59 by 1 into 99 by 1 plus 1 by 1. Means 59 by 1 into 100 by 1. That will be 5900. Your answer. What will your answer? 5900. That is for general number we have taken. Means that general rational number. All natural number are rational number. Because you can rewrite them in 59 by 1, 99 by 1, 59 by 1. Okay. So we have written also in the form of rational number as we, and our result is came. That is 5900. Now, for the again another example we look. See here, 59 into 99 plus 59 we have solved that. Now another in the form of rational number if given, then how we will complete that. Suppose it is given that 13 by 21 into 4 by 5 plus 13 by 21 into 1 by 5. Look here, we have two terms. We will first 13 by 21 we take common into 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. That will be 13 by 21 into 4 by 5, and 5 LCM will be 5. 4 plus 1, that will be 13 by 21 into 5 by 5. The result will be 13 by 21. Okay, the result will be 13 by 21. So finally we get our result, that the normal result we have got 13 by 21 in the form of rational number. Now second part of that is properties of multiplication over subtraction. Same work we have to do over subtraction. Here it will be minus multiplication over subtraction, and here in the middle it will be minus. Now see the example of that. Multiplication, distributive properties of multiplication over subtraction. A by B into C by D minus C by F, it will be A by B into C by D minus A by B into E by F. Example you look. Suppose that 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 minus 4 by 5 into 2 by 7. What will be the result? 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. It will be 4 by 5 into, you solve the bracket, then you get 1 by 7. And your answer will be 4 by 35. What will the result? 4 by 35. So today we have learned all the properties of multiplication of rational number. Okay.